So in this video, we are going to discuss about the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So let us understand by seeing an example. Consider an object moving along a straight line. Let it travel 5 meter in the first 5 seconds and 5 more meter in the next second and 5 meter in the third second and 5 meter in the fourth second. What do you observe? The object the object covers 5 meter in each second, correct? So as the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is called as uniform motion. From the word uniform, uniform means same. So which will be same here, distance and time will be same here. Okay. So same distance and same time. So uniform motion is nothing but motion of the object which covers equal distance in equal interval of time. This is called as uniform motion, or else motion of the object which has same speed, that is constant speed. It is also called as uniform motion. So the next one is the time interval in this motion is very small, right? In our day-to-day life, we come across motions where objects cover unequal distance in equal interval of time. For example, when a car is moving on a crowded street or a person is jogging in a park, there are some instances of non-uniform motion. So non-uniform motion is nothing but, in that case, the speed will be not constant, it varies, and also non-uniform, which means it covers unequal distance and equal interval of time. So the next topic will be measuring the rate of motion. So measuring the rate of motion is simply called as speed. Okay. So different objects may take different amounts of time to cover this given distance. Some of them move very fast, some of them move very slowly. The rate at which objects move can be different. Also, different objects can move at the same rate. One of the ways of measuring the rate of motion of the object is to find out the distance traveled by the object in unit time. This is called as speed. So speed is nothing but how fast or slow an object moves. For example, if you're going with your mummy, you're asking mummy to go fast, which means mummy will increase the accelerator and she will definitely increase the speed, which is called as fast speed. And there are a lot of ups and downs and hurdles, obstacles and stuffs. So you'll ask your mummy to slow down, correct? No? So speed is nothing but, it is not only depending on fast, it also depends on slow motion. So speed is nothing but how fast or slow an object moves. It depends on two factors. One is distance covered by the object and the second factor is time. The SI unit of speed is given by meter per second. Okay, and the symbol will be like m by s. There are other units of speed like centimeter per second, kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is all about speed. So speed is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude and it has no direction. As you already know, scalar quantity. So scalar quantity is nothing but it is a quantity which has numerical value alone and does not have any direction in it. And in the speed itself, we are also having average speed. So average speed is nothing but it is obtained by dividing the total distance covered by the object in total time. Average speed is equal to total distance travelled by total time. It is denoted by the letter VAV equal to S by T. Okay. So speed is nothing but how fast slow an object moves, and the speed is given by the formula S is equal to speed is equal to distance by time. And we also saw about the average speed. So the next topic will be velocity. So velocity is simply defined as speed along with certain direction. Okay, it is given by the formula displacement by time. Okay, so it is a vector quantity as it possesses both magnitude as well as direction in it. In case of average velocity, the formula will be different, that is initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. It can be represented as VAV is equal to U plus V by 2, or average velocity is equal to net displacement by time. Okay, so speed along with the direction is called as velocity. The rate of motion of the object can be more comprehensive if we specify its direction along with its speed. The quantity that specifies both aspects is called velocity. So velocity is the speed of the object moving with a definite direction. The velocity of the object can be uniform or variable. It can be changed by changing the object's speed or direction or even both. When an object is moving along a straight line at a variable speed, we can express the magnitude of its rate in motion in terms of average velocity. So average velocity is given by the formula as I told u plus v by 2. And the formula of velocity, as I told, it is displacement by time. So therefore the unit of velocity will be meter per second or m by s. So speed and velocity have the same units and the dimensional formula will also be same. Okay.